Namaste, good morning to you all, and also welcome to today's mathematics class. In the previous class, we have learned some problems related to addition and subtraction of integers. In today's session, we shall discuss multiplication and division of integers. Let's begin with rules for multiplication. Count the number of negative signs. If the number of negative signs are even, then the result will be positive. First we count the number of negative signs. They are even. Even means 2 or 4 or 6. That time the result will be positive. The second point, if the number of negative signs are odd, then the result will be negative. If we count the number of negative signs are odd. Odd means 1 or 3 or 5, that time the result will be negative. Okay, here the number of negative signs are even, the result will be positive. The number of negative signs are odd, the result will be negative. Consider an example, minus 4 into minus 3 is equal to 12. Here there are two negative signs. The number of negative signs are 2. 2 is even, therefore the result will be positive. The next example, minus 3 into minus 4 into minus 5. Here, the number of negative signs are 3. 3 is odd. So, the result will be negative. The answer is minus 16. Rules for division. First one, if two integers have the same sign, their quotient is positive. If the integers have the same sign, their quotient is positive. Second point, if two integers have the opposite sign, their quotient is negative. If the integers have the opposite sign, their result is negative. Consider an example, minus 42 divided by minus 7. Here, two integers have the same sign. First one is minus and second one is minus. So, the result will be positive. The result will be plus 6. Next example, minus 36 divided by 3. Here, the sign of first integer is negative, the second integer is positive. So, opposite signs. If two integers have the opposite sign, the result is negative. The result is negative. Negative 12. Next, we shall discuss some problems from exercise 1.2. First question, evaluate 8 into minus 9. Here, there is only one negative sign. One is odd, so the answer will be negative. So, plus into minus, minus. Minus 8 nines are 72. Minus 72. The second question, minus 5 into minus 4. There are two negative signs. 2 is even, so the result will be positive. Minus into minus, plus. The answer is plus 5 4s are 20. Plus 20. The next question, minus 38 divided by minus 2. Here, both the integers are having same sign. So, the result will be positive. Is equal to minus divided by minus plus 38 divided by 2, 19. The answer is 19. Question number D, minus 57 divided by 3. Here, both the integers are having different sign. So, the result will be negative. Is equal to minus 57 divided by 3. Is equal to minus, how many 3s are in 57? 57 divided by 3. 1 3s are 3. Balance 2. The next number is 7. How many 3s are in 27? 9 3s are 27. So the answer is minus 19. Minus 19. The next question, evaluate each of the following. The first one, minus 2 into minus 2. Here, there are three negative signs. 3 is odd, so the answer will be negative. The answer will be negative. Minus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. The answer is minus 8. The next question, minus 1 into, minus 1 into, minus 1 into, minus 2 into, minus 2. Here there are 5 negative signs. 5 is odd, the answer will be negative. Is equal to minus 1 into 1 into 1, 1. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So the answer is minus 4. Next question, evaluate each of the following. Minus 1 into, minus 2 into, minus 2 into, minus 3. Here there are 4 negative signs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 negative signs, 4 is even, so the answer will be positive. Is equal to plus 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. The answer is plus 12. The next question, minus 1 into, minus 2 into, minus 3 into, minus 3. Here there are 4 negative signs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is even, so the answer will be positive. Is equal to 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, plus 18. One more question. Number C. Minus 1 into, minus 2 into, minus 3 into, minus 4 into, minus 5. Here there are 5 negative signs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is odd, so the result will be negative. Is equal to minus 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 24 5s are 120. Minus 120. Next question, evaluate each of the following. Minus 84 divided by 7 into 5. First we have to divide minus 84 by 5, 7. Then multiply by 5. Minus 84 divided by 7. Minus divided by plus, minus. 84 divided by 7. How many 7s are in 84? How many 7s are in 84? 12. Minus 12. Then into 5. Minus 84 divided by 7 is minus 12 into 7. Minus 12 into plus 5. Minus into plus, minus. 12 5s are 60. The answer is minus 60. Once again, minus 84 divided by 7 into 5. First we have to divide minus 84 divided by 7. Minus number divided by plus number, the answer is minus. Minus 12 into 5 is equal to minus 60. Next question, evaluate each of the following. Minus 37 into 0, minus of minus 8. Any number into 0 is 0. Okay? 0 minus of minus 8. 0 minus of minus 8 is equal to 0 minus into minus plus 8. 0 plus 8 is 8. 8 is answer. Evaluate each of the following. 63 divided by minus 9 plus minus 2 into minus 10. 63 divided by minus 9 minus 63 by how many 9s are in 63? 7 9s are 63. Minus 7 plus minus 2 into minus 10. Multiplication of two negative numbers is always positive. So plus 2 10s are 20. Minus 7 plus 20. Minus 7 plus 20 plus 30. Subtracting the smaller number from the bigger number and put bigger number symbol. So the answer is plus 30. Next question, evaluate each of the following. Minus 47, minus of 33 divided by minus 3, minus of 3 into minus 7. So you write minus 47 in one bracket. Minus of 33 divided by minus 3. Here only is one negative symbol is there. Okay. So 33 divided by 3 is 11. So 33 divided by minus 3 is minus 11. Minus of 3 into minus 7. Multiplying a positive integer and a negative integer is always negative. 3 thirds are 21. Minus 47. Minus into minus. Multiplication of two negative numbers is always positive. Plus 11. Then minus into minus again plus 21 is equal to minus 47 plus 11 plus 21 32 is equal to minus 47 plus 32. Minus 47 plus 32. Subtracting the smaller number from the bigger number. Okay. After that we put bigger number symbol. So is equal to minus 15. The answer is minus 15. 47 minus 32 is 15. The sign of 47 is minus. So we put minus symbol. Minus 15. 196 divided by minus 8 plus minus 6 into minus 2. First we have to add these two numbers. 196 divided by minus 8 plus minus 6. Minus 8 plus minus 6 is addition of two negative numbers is always negative. So minus 8 plus 6 is 14 into minus 2. What is the value of 196 divided by minus 14? Plus divided by minus is minus. 196 divided by 14. How many 14s are in 196? 14 14s are 196 into minus 2 is equal to multiplication of two negative numbers. Multiplication of two negative numbers is always positive. Minus into minus is plus. Plus 28 or 28. The next question, write two division statements for each of the following multiplication statements. Question number A, 40 into 3 is equal to 120. We have to write two division statements. Here, the multiplication of 40 and 3 is 120. So, how to write the division statement? 120 divided by 40 is equal to 3 and 120 divided by 3 is equal to 40. So, therefore, the required division statements are 120 divided by 40 is equal to 3 and 120 divided by 3 is equal to 40. 25 into 8 is equal to 200. The product of 25 and 8 is 200. We have to write two division statements. First we have to divide 200 by 25. 200 divided by 25 is 8. Okay. So the next one 200 divided by 8. 200 divided by 8 is 25. Okay. Therefore the required division statements are 200 divided by 25 is equal to 8. 200 divided by 25 is 8. Then 200 divided by 8 is equal to 200 divided by 8 is 25. 25. Today we have learned rules for multiplication and division of integers and its applications. Hope it is clear for you all. If you have any doubt, please feel free to call. Thank you for watching. Namaste.